We have some late-breaking news in regard to our top story this noon. The defense now in the Otis McKane case has rested.
Now, Erica is joining us live once again from the courthouse. So, Erica, we understand the defense only called one witness to the stand.
That's correct, Max. So the last time we spoke, that the judge eventually ruled that those text messages, while they can be talked about, the contents couldn't be revealed. So the defense ended up calling Detective Duke, who was the lead detective from last week that was on the stand for the state. They ended up calling him back to the stand, and they questioned him about the contents of that phone call, if they were of those text messages that were on Detective Marconi's phone, if they were personal, if they were not personal. And he ended up telling them that he only assumes that they could have been personal. And the last text message that he answered was at 11:30 a.m. that morning, which was about 8 minutes before he was killed. Now, after that detective finished his testimony, the defense said that's it. They rested, and now we're just awaiting for the actual charges to be read to the jury. Again, the jury was called back, so we're waiting for those to be written up officially for them both to agree, and then the judge will then read them to the defense, and they will then read them to the jury, and then we will hear closing arguments, and then we could have a verdict by the end of today.
Unexpectedly, is it because the cell phone cell phone messages were not able to be read before or shown to the jury that basically the defense just collapsed its case?
I'm assuming that's the case, Ursula. We're not totally sure. We haven't been able to speak with anybody about this since they're still in the courtroom. But like I said before earlier at noon, that if they were able to prove that he was not actively on duty, those capital murder charges can then be dropped, lowered to maybe just murder charges. But it seems that they also didn't have any other witnesses lined up. There was nobody else here. They did mention earlier that they were having trouble attaining witnesses. So it was really rare for us to see that they just called Detective Duke back to the stand, and then that was it. So most of their case may be presented later after a verdict is read or not. It just depends what the jury comes back with.
All right. Erica Hernandez, thank you so much for your time. We're going to be checking in with you throughout the day.